Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 S 彭。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and it's time for my favorite section, the phrase of the month. 每月一谚时间到了。
每年一谚。
每年一谚。It's because we can learn Hakka and we can learn the culture and find a saying that is applicable to everyday life. And Alice, what are you going to teach us today? 今天要教的每月一谚是什么？
富寡随富臉皮濕，
富寡隨富臉皮濕，
甘蔗隨甜愛披薩，
甘蔗隨甜
愛披薩，
披薩，
披薩，
对啊，披薩啊，要吃什麼披薩？意大利披薩呢，還是要夏威夷披薩？It sounds like pizza to me. Talking about another food right here. 這是什麼藝術呢？
苦瓜雖苦要連皮吃。
The bitter squash, even though it's so bitter, you have to eat it with the skin.
甘蔗雖甜要吐渣的意思。
Oh, that's true. Okay, and if you eat the sugarcane is very sweet, right? So when you chew on the sugarcane, you have to spit out the pulp, or I would like to call it the fibrous bits. And so there's always a bitter side to the sweet side and vice versa. I think that's what this whole phrase means. 其实这个话非常生活化，在吃水果还有这个蔬菜里面就可以意味得到。其实你不用解释，就是好像就是苦的时候也有甜美的一面，是不是？然后甜美的一面也有比较麻烦或苦的事情。缺点
好也有缺点然后再苦也有好处。
Exactly. Actually, there's a saying in English. It's very bittersweet. When you say something's very bittersweet, 就是它也有苦也有甜。有的时候是要苦尽甘来嘛。
Yeah.
Before we repeat that phrase, let's teach some of those words right there because we actually would eat some of this. Bitter squash, 苦瓜。富寡，所以富就是苦就对了。富 just means it's very bitter, all right? 富寡 is bitter squash. 甘蔗 sugarcane.
甘蔗
甘蔗有渣，对不对？所以我们刚刚讲说披薩是吐渣，是不是？披薩 means spit out the, like in this case, the fibrous bits. Okay, so let's repeat that phrase one more time.
富寡隨富臉皮濕。
富寡隨富臉皮濕。
甘蔗隨甜愛披薩。
甘蔗隨甜愛披薩。That means everything has a bitter and sweet side to it. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太嘎？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.